Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about learning English when you laugh today. You know, how jokes and funny moments actually help people learn faster.
Oh yeah, that's a fun topic. Honestly, I think laughter makes everything easier. English, work, life, everything.
True. And before we jump in, let's introduce ourselves. Hi everyone, I'm Emma, I'm from Seattle, and I love teaching English through simple, real conversations.
And I'm John. I'm from Chicago. We're just two friends talking slowly, clearly, and hopefully making you smile while you learn.
Okay, so, learning English through laughter. Where do we start?
Maybe with the idea that when you laugh, your brain relaxes. And when your brain relaxes, you learn faster.
Exactly. It's like your brain says, I'm happy. I'm open. Give me English.
That's a great brain voice. But seriously, I've noticed that my students remember jokes more than grammar rules.
Oh, yes. I still remember a joke from my Spanish class. It wasn't even a good joke, but the teacher laughed so hard that we all laughed too, and boom, I never forgot the words.
Right. Laughter makes memories stick.
And it helps with speaking too. When you laugh, your mouth moves more. Your face relaxes. You stop worrying about sounding perfect.
Yeah, perfection kills confidence, but laughing brings it back.
Exactly. You know, I tell my students, if you make a mistake and laugh about it, that mistake becomes your teacher.
That's really nice. Mistakes as teachers. I like that. Do you have any funny English stories from your students?
Oh, yes. I remember one student who wanted to say, I'm full, like after eating, but she accidentally said, I'm pregnant.
Oh no.
Yeah, the waiter looked so confused. Then she realized, and she laughed so hard that everyone in the restaurant laughed too. After that, she never forgot the phrase, I'm full.
That's perfect. A funny mistake becomes a memory. Do you have one too?
Oh, one time I tried to speak French at a bakery. I wanted to say, 1 croissant, please. But I said something like, 1 big old shoe.
What? How?
I don't know. My tongue got confused. The baker stared at me like, what is wrong with this woman? But then he laughed, and somehow I still got the croissant.
See? Laughter solves problems.
Always.
I think another reason laughter helps learning is because it connects people. When you laugh with someone, you feel closer to them. And when you feel close, speaking becomes easier.
Yes. That's so important. English is not just words, it's connection, and laughter is connection.
And honestly, when you watch funny videos in English, you learn naturally.
Totally. Even simple things, like a silly cat video with English captions can help.
Yeah. Your brain says, oh, this is fun. And suddenly you understand a new word without trying.
I love that. Learning without trying is the best kind of learning.
And I think jokes help with rhythm, too. English jokes usually have a certain timing, like setup, pause, punchline.
Yeah, the pause is important. It teaches natural speaking rhythm.
For example, why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's so silly.
I know, but silly jokes help students hear the rhythm.
And the wordplay, too. Even if you don't understand 100%, you hear real English.
Right. Or funny stories. Like the time my dog stole my sandwich right out of my hand.
Oh no! What kind of dog?
A golden retriever. Very cute. Very sneaky.
I can picture it. Dogs are great English teachers too. They make funny moments happen.
Definitely.
So, if you're watching this video, here's something simple you can do. Try to smile or laugh a little when you study. Even a small laugh helps.
Yeah. Watch a funny English video, listen to a silly podcast, try a joke with a friend. Don't be serious all the time.
Serious English is slow English.
But happy English?
Fast English.
I love that. Also, when you laugh, your breathing changes. It becomes easier to speak.
That's true. Laughing opens your throat. It's like a warm-up for your voice.
Exactly. Better than singing sometimes.
Hey, singing is great too.
Okay, don't fight me. Never. So let's wrap this up. What's the big idea today?
The big idea is when you laugh, you learn English faster. Because your brain relaxes, your memory improves, your mouth moves more, and you feel connected.
Well said. And you don't have to be super funny. Just enjoy small moments.
Smile, giggle, watch something silly, laugh at your mistakes. It all helps.
And remember, you're not alone. Everyone learning a language makes funny mistakes.
Yes, even us.
Especially us. True. All right, friends. Thanks for listening to our happy little conversation today.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep laughing your way to better English.
See you next time.